A very warm welcome to our YouTube channel, and we are here with a spell that will work for you instant. With this spell you can get back your lover, your wife, your ex-husband, boyfriend. This spell will work for everyone that you like. For this spell, the thing that you require for this spell, a plain paper. Its backside should be plain, nothing should be right. A black marker, 2 cloves, bit of salt, and a glass of water. It should be half. What you have to do after that to do this spell, to cast this spell, please give your full concentration to this video and do this spell with full of concentration to get its result. This is very powerful. You have to do one thing. You have to put 1 clove into the glass and you have to say this word, palm calm, your lover name. Here should be, you have to say your lover name. For example, your lover name is John Pilir. So you have to say this word 400 times. You have to say this word 400 times. If you want this spell faster than that, you can increase its time. Then you can increase, like for example, you can say this word for 200 times, 300 times, 101 times. There is no negative effect of that. You can say as much as you can. After that, what you have to do, you have to put some salt of that and you have to give full concentration. This is very crucial part of this video. You have to keep this paper onto the glass. This is very crucial, that you have to keep that onto the glass and say these words. If you do that like that and you say this word, then this will not work. Please keep the paper onto the glass and say this word. This is very required. What you have to do after that, you have to put clove and these things. And another thing, what you have to say these words, if you do it more than 100 times, you have to put another clove into that and you have to bit part of that. You have to keep that remaining salt into that paper. After that, what would you have? You have to take a matchbox and burn this. Like this. Please keep down from the glass. You have to burn it properly, full. Take care that the paper should not be remain unburned. What you have to do, you have to drink this water together. Like you don't have, while you are drinking that water, you don't have to stop. You have to drink it regular. And what you have after that, after you drink this water, when it will go inside you, it will leave some waves to your lover that you are missing him, you are missing her, and he or she will badly miss you. And then that person wants to come back in your life immediately, instantly, with the power of this spell. Don't be light. Don't take this spell very lightly, because this is very powerful. And please don't use this spell to take advantage of someone. This is my humble request to all of you, that don't take this don't use this spell to take someone's disadvantage or advantage, because this spell is only for true lover. If you have any kind of question, you can call us, you can comment in our comment box, we will answer you. And thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, please like our video and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.